This work presents the development of an electromechanical interface, an exoskeleton coupled to the KUKA collaborative robotic manipulator. The system is designed for upper limb rehabilitation, targeting 2 degrees of freedom, elbow flexion/extension and forearm pronation/supination. It allows clinicians to assist patients through different rehabilitation modes, adapting the level of support according to their recovery stage and physical capability. Passive assist mode is intended for patients with limited or no mobility. In this mode, the exoskeleton performs the full movement, guiding the limb through the exercise path. Active resist mode provides controlled resistance against the user's movement. By opposing the limb's motion, the exoskeleton encourages the patient to exert more effort, promoting strength building, endurance, and motor control. Active assist, also known as assist as needed, enables the patient to perform the exercise actively, while the exoskeleton provides support only when necessary. The user interface allows clinicians to select movement modes, adjust difficulty levels, and monitor performance in real time. It provides a clear overview of each rehabilitation stage, linking visual feedback from the interface to the exoskeleton's motion, ensuring an interactive and adaptive training experience.